5 financial lessons I've learned from Brother Bo Sanchez. Brother Bo is a preacher and also a financial mentor. Hello everyone, this is Roan Celis Capistrano of 1 Million Club. I'm very thankful to God na nakabasa ako ng book ni Brother Bo last 2011. Since then, my life has changed. In this video, I will share to you 5 financial lessons I've learned from him. First, invest on financial education. Nabasa ko sa book niya na 8 Secrets of the Truly Rich. If you think financial wisdom is expensive, then try ignorance. Kaya noong 2012, bumili na ako ng financial books at nag-attend ng mga financial seminar. Na-realize ko sobrang mura ng 300 pesos na libro sa dami ng matututunan mo. Mura lang ang 500 pesos or 6,000 pesos na seminar kung matututo ka naman na mag-invest at mag-handle ng pera mo. Dati kasi, ang alam ko lang ay savings account at time deposit. Pag pala nasa savings account pera mo, lumiliit ang value ng money mo every year dahil ang kinikita nito ay nasa 0.25% per year lang. Ang inflation rate o pagtaas ng bilihin ay nasa 5% on the average per year. Buti na lang nag-invest ako ng money and time sa financial education. Ngayon, 4 years na ako nag-i-invest and malaki talagang tulong sa personal finance ko. Nakakatuwa kasing alam mo na nag-grow yung money na pinaghirapan mong kitain. Second, save regularly and think long-term. Madalas ang tao gambling ang ginagawa. Kaya sa loto, ginagawang sugal ang stock market dahil gusto natin ng instant money. Get rich quick scheme kumbaga. Kaya marami ang nai-scam dahil greedy tayo. Ang tao ang tanong agad pag nag-invest, kailan ko magpo-pull out? Pwede bang mag-withdraw? Pwede ba utangin ang i-invest kong pera? In a week or in a month, gusto natin dumoble agad ang value ng pera natin nang walang ginagawa. Brother Bo said, save 20% of your income every month. Save regularly. And think long term. Kasi pag ginawa mo ang pag-iipon consistently, mabibuild yung discipline mo. Maraming nag-retire at nakakuha ng malaking pera dahil di sila discipline, naubos agad to. Kaya importante madisiplin ka. Third law of sowing and reaping. Sa Tagalog, kung ano ang tinanim, yun ang aanihin. Kung ano ang gusto mong anihin in the future, yun ang itanim mo ngayon. If you are not careful in handling your money today, pag nasa mall ka, kung di mo mapigilan ang sobrang paggamit ng credit card para sa mga bagay na di mo naman afford o kailangan, in the future, it will compound and it will cause you money problem. So choose to save and invest now. It will compound and guaranteed you will live an abundant life. Fourth, mindset. Si Brother Bo ang nagbago ng mindset ko when it comes to money. Dati kahit mahilig ako mag-save, at the back of my mind, allergic akong tawaging wealthy. Kasi iniisip ko imposibleng maging wealthy ako. Parehong high school graduate lang ang parents ko. Ayoko maging wealthy kasi baka mawalan ako ng kaibigan. Isipin nila mayabang na ako. Ayoko magkakotse, di bagay sa akin, sanay naman ako mag-commute. Pero sabi ni Brother Bo, wala namang masama sa pagiging wealthy dahil kung sa tingin mo mabuti kang tao, magagamit mo ang wealth mo as a tool to help people. Na wag nating hayaang yumaman ng mga masasamang tao kasi gagamitin nila to sa masama. So dapat mas maraming mabuting tao ang humawak ng pera para magamit ito sa mabuti. Ang sabi ko, oo nga, kung malinis naman ang intention ko at gusto akong gamitin ni God as a channel of His love, why not be wealthy? Fifth, earn from your core gift. To know your core gift, answer these 2 questions. What do you enjoy doing? What are you good at? For example, ako, I enjoy studying financials. I enjoy saving and investing money. And I love teaching, kaya I am focused on my financial coaching business. Then, by teaching, by giving value to my audience and clients, I earn. Ang mali nating mga Pinoy, pag gusto nating kumita, nakikigaya tayo kung ano uso. Kahit di naman yun ang passion natin. Don't do a job or business just for the money. Discover first your core gift. So what is your core gift? Offer this to the market, give value, and money will follow. Guaranteed you will earn. To summarize what we have discussed in this video, 5 lessons I've learned from Brother Bo Sanchez. First, invest on financial education. Second, save regularly and think long-term. Third, law of sowing and reaping. Fourth, the importance of mindset. Fifth, earn from your core gift. As a bonus, here is the list of my favorite financial books written by Brother Bo. 8 Secrets of the Truly Rich, My Maid Invest in the Stock Market, The Turtle Always Wins, How to Prosper, How to Turn Your Passion into Profit. I highly recommend that you buy these books. It changed my life and I'm sure it will change yours too. Also, here is the list of my favorite inspirational books written by Brother Bo. How Your Words Can Change Your World, 5 Things You Need to Do Before You Die, How to Live a Life of Miracles, How to Change Your Life in 30 Days, How to Be a Blessing Magnet. I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video na to. To learn more about investments, visit www.1millionclub.com. You may also email me at roan@1millionclub.com. For those located outside Metro Manila, you may check the link below to see all available books of Brother Bo Sanchez. Actually, you can buy his books online. I also put another link below so that you can download free ebook of My Maid Invest in the Stock Market and learn more about Truly Rich Club and stock market. Thank you for watching this video.